What I thought would make me happy at the beginning of my business life was a nice car, houses, fancy watch, expensive clothes, awesome trips. Now, there's nothing wrong with this, and I do still love all these things, but what actually makes me happy is the option to go where I want, when I want. Building a business and building a team and empowering people and giving them financial opportunities, connecting with family members, flying across the country to connect with family members, networking and masterminding with like-minded business owners. I love this stuff, right? So find out what actually makes you happy and then prioritize it. This is what I did, right? And I used my business along the way. The business is the vessel for the happiness, right? The building of the business, having the life-changing, intellectually stimulating conversations with other business owners, talking to my wife about the dreams that we have and the dreams that we can create through our business. That's the whole purpose of the business. And so instead of focusing on getting all the nice houses or fancy watches, no problem with that. Focus on creating the vessel of the business and building the life inside the business. This is exactly what I'm doing with my land business. And I think land is an awesome business to have in order to do this.